Hi, I'm Brock, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay inside your new Land Rover. So you must have your USB cable with you and connected inside of your console. Once it's connected, you'll take the cord and plug it into your actual phone, as you see right here. Once it's plugged in, you'll get a prompt on your screen here to actually use Apple CarPlay. So you tap on Apple CarPlay, you'll get a notification on your phone to allow, and you would press allow here. And you'll have your home screen on the screen here, where you can use your text messages, your calendar, Google Maps, Spotify, and Waze. To get back to your actual Land Rover screen, you'll tap on the Land Rover icon, and then you'll be back to where you need to be. And that's how you use Apple CarPlay in your new Land Rover. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.